Minimal English.
I am inspired to have a new kitchen myself.
Because I don't have any thing for there. It's falling apart. Right. Hi guys. Welcome back to another video. New week. Well, it's the weekend. So, welcome. We're starting the video in the car. Unfortunately, I couldn't do it in my in the house because the washing machine is going and it's making a lot of noise. So I thought, you know what? Let's just start it in the car. And now my mount is not working well. From the last video, you know that I'm in a hired car at the moment, and so I had to take the mount off. And now I want to put it back on, but it's not sticking. So I'm using my tripod at the moment over there. So hopefully it won't fall down. But yeah, welcome to another video. As I said, it's a new week, and today it's going to be, I'm going shopping to do a reset. It's the weekend reset, so I'm going to clean my fridge and restock it. So come along with me on this journey. There you go. My camera has shifted. I don't know where you see. Maybe you see the side of the road. But anyway, come along with me, and then we will go grocery shopping, and then we do a reset in the fridge. Right guys, so done my first errand, and I'm heading now to the laundry to pick up some stuff I have there from I don't remember when was the last time I been to pick these stuff up, because I don't have any thing for there. It's falling apart. Sure, okay. It's traffic. Peak. What is it now? Is it after 5? I think it's after 5 now. No, 4:38. I think I need to go in this lane. I'm heading around that side for pick up my clothes from the dry cleaner. I'm not used to this. I'm not used to this at all. But anything for the content, isn't it? That's what they say. Anything for the content. Okay, I'll come back to you guys. I'm good. You good?
They're good.
Yeah, I'm here for my stuff. Oh dear. I left it in the other car, isn't it? My pin, that thing, the slip. Because this is a hired car and my other car has gone into the garage. Would you be able to find my stuff by name?
Your name?
Carla.
When you dropped it? Carla.
Carla. It's a couple of pieces.
Your contact number?
Yeah. True.
So, perfect.
Yeah. Hold on. I'm looking for a particle, please. I think there's another.
Yeah, 6 dress, so 1 jumper and 1.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm looking for the. Yeah. I'm looking for that. Right. This is my little dry cleaning place that I come to get my stuff. How many pieces?
8 pieces. 6 dress, 1 jumper. 8 pieces. Pay by card, cash.
Cash.
50.
Minimal English. Let's go. Let's go to the supermarket because they're too much. They're too much. No, you can't see me, so that's okay. We're going shopping now, so we'll catch up again. Hey. Yeah. Oh, bless you. It's the hit for me. I make a detour, guys. I'm heading to the post office, so I don't have to come back out tomorrow. And I also left my bank card at home in my little thing that I carried in my little card holders
I forget it at home, so hopefully I can use my phone to pay for my shopping. Otherwise, it's a fail mission. But not to worry, we can still clean the fridge. If I don't get to do my shopping, then we can just get on with cleaning the fridge and then stock up afterwards. So I'm in a different supermarket from the one, different post. Sorry, the one I normally go to. This one is called double estimate. Yeah, double estimate. This is, and the post office is at the back, so you can get your stationery. Yeah, so that's my local shop. I remember I used to come into this place so often because when I used to work in town here, well, obviously I would come here, but not anymore. Not anymore. So that's our counters. The famous red box. Put your post in. Let's go. Actually, I need to go into Wilkes. Yeah. Is it Wilkes or Wicks? One of those hardware stores to get some bulb for my front room. So let's go there and then go get this shopping. Sorry guys, that man drives me nuts. I've never felt so upset before. But I allowed the lady, I stopped, I allowed the lady to go. It's my right of way. I'm on the left side. He is in the middle of the road. He wants to come over, so he just come over and went on tooting me. Really? Child, please. It's alright, this is where I'm heading, guys. I'm heading to Wicks to get my my bulb for the front room. They're not normal, but I'm not quite sure if they're sold in the supermarket, but I'll come here and see if I can find them. They might be a little bit expensive in here too. I am inspired to have a new kitchen myself. I'd love to have a new kitchen. Something like this would do me fine. See how small it is. Yeah, a rejig of my kitchen would do good. Or even this one. Oh, I like this one with the round edges. But I like how this has the bar, the breakfast bar. But that's a bit big because no, that's not with it. Everything is here. Yeah, because I know the houses in England not big enough, my dear. So you see how this kitchen is so tiny. My kitchen is about stop here. You see where in line with that side there. That's where my kitchen stop. So this piece, I don't know where it would fit. Wouldn't be able to fit in the kitchen. And where would the fridge go? That's what I mean. So 50% off worktop in 27th of March. And that's the cooker. Ooh, gorgeous, isn't it? Lovely. And you got the sink over there, a small. So that's what I mean. This is kind of like for apartment style, but I like it. You got the cupboards up the top, cupboards at the bottom. I don't know, maybe washing machine, dishwasher. I like this. I wonder how much for this one. I'm talking as if I have money to buy it. Sorry, guys, but I'm showing you inspiration here. Inspiration for your new home, And I take inspiration as well to have my new kitchen one day. I will have a new kitchen. I will. I don't like this one. I don't like this one. I probably could go with the color, but I don't like. Is this a kitchen by itself? For a tiny kitchen, that would be then. And here you have some more. If you just want that and want to keep your own sink. So yeah. Lovely, isn't it? You got this bathroom now. Child, I come here to get what I want, but yet I'm in here looking at people kitchen and bath and all of that. I'm going to do a bit of a facelift in my bathroom, but just gonna do some painting and change some cupboards. So yeah, I like that. I think it's like something you could buy and take away, isn't it? You could just add this piece to your kitchen and that's it. But yeah, very nice, isn't it? That's bathroom, and that if you're on the stairs, if you want to convert your understairs, there it is. Inspiration. Pinterest. Pinterest. I bring you Pinterest. There you go. Nice little. And you have the bath over there and the corner shower. A small bathroom you can utilize and still get a bath, toilet, and your basin. Yeah, you can still get it. Oh, and look at this one. It's the old-fashioned one. Look, old-fashioned with this thing at the top, the flusher at the top. Remember those days when I used to go to school? That was what was in school. Those kind of toilets. Busy. Everybody's busy. Okay. I'm gonna have to probably do some searching for myself. So let's get going. I have been in Wix, and I got my stuff. I got my paint. Here, my roller to do my painting in the bathroom, and I got these bulbs, the ones for my front room. You know, I've been moaning about I don't have proper lighting. So yeah, so we're inside at the moment, guys. So let's get shopping. I should have brought my other tripod. I'm using this little tripod here. But anyway, let's go. We need bread first. Bread. And brown. That's the bread that I use all the I normally like this one, but I grab this one. Prefer this one. You know, that can't put in the freezer. No. Let's grab some. Oops. Right away. I need peppers now and onions. So let's grab that. Onions. He stays in the air. Heading into where I get my food produced. So I've got a video coming up to do. So I need a bit of yam, some peppers and plantain. These are the plantains. That's what they have. Not looking too pretty, but these ones are a little bit better. But I don't want those ones. I want this one here. They don't even look like they're good. Hi. Like my mother would say, everybody come feel up. Oh my God, these plantains are. It's quite soft. 3 little something for a pound. Change one of these. Oh, sir. So I picked these 3. And then I'm going to come back and pick up some pepper. Oh. Hello, my brother. How are you? Nothing at the back?
No, it's nothing. Tomorrow come again. You see, right over the other.
Is every day you get something?
You finish, you know?
Every day you get stock?
Yeah, every day. You know.
Oh,
right.
Business is good then. You cannot complain. Business is booming. If you are getting stock every day, then business is turning over. You're ticking over, brother. Where's your worker? Huh? Even your thing is empty.
Yeah.
Are you going home? Hello, my sister. Saturday. Hey guys, Whew. Your girl is tired now. I'm having a rest. My hips hurt today, so I had to really rest. When I went to do my first errand, I had to stop and just have a sit down. There are times when you have to do that. Your body is just telling you to do something, follow it, So yeah, so now what I'm doing is I'm just taking a rest, and then we'll catch up again when I'm sorting out the fridge, cleaning the fridge, then I'll stock it, and that will be us, isn't it? So yeah, I'll do that in a little bit from now. But look at my makeup. It's the concealer I use is from Maybelline. Yep. So I think I like it. I like that undertone, and all that is on my face. I didn't use any foundation today. I just used my Maybelline setting powder and do the areas where I didn't contour. So, and it was powder contour I used today too. So yeah, this was a quick little put my face together. I wasn't even thinking of doing all of what you see here, but when you start the makeup, you kind of just get on with it, isn't it? But yeah, so it's a quick little beat, nothing drastic, because no foundation. It's just the setting powder and the concealer and my what do you call it, my contour powder from my bronzing powder from Juvia's Place, and the blush is an old blush I had from the Body Shop. It's a two-tone kind of pink with another undertone with it as well. So I just dust that on my face, and that's it. Voila, the girl is ready. And my little wig that you've seen me rock before. So I got it on Amazon. I can't remember. I think I bought it for like 20 something pounds. But what I did was in my previous style, I had it all flat down, But then today what I did was I kind of wash it just with water and let it drip dry, and then I add setting spray, so you kind of have a stiffy look. You see how up here is quite spiky up? Yeah. So it's the setting spray with some mousse, and that's it. Like I don't have any here. It's all gone. One day I'm blonde and the next day I'm black. But yeah, we'll catch up again. All right, guys. Yeah, see you soon. Bye bye. Hi guys, it's another day. Sorry, yesterday I wasn't feeling very well when I came home. So today I'm going to clean my fridge and stock the shopping that I did. I put away the perishable goods last night because obviously I wasn't quite sure what time I would get around to do it.
They serve me out and then they ghost.
Give it a good clean over.
Girls like me, I like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighter from the ocean. I send them my devotion and turn my thoughts. Boys like them, they serve me out and then they ghost. I found a rainbow in the shade. We say it's the places a better one I saw. I said, oh, I love somebody.
We're back in the fridge. So this is what I did. All right, you can see. Child, please. Okay, so I add my butter, cheese, sandwich meat, like a little snack here. So all in here is cheese, butter, and this snack, and my sandwich meat. So let me see. I have to lie down and I want to be able to see. I can see the things in there, but I don't know. We'll see. Oh, making noise again. Child, see that? Look, it's okay. So let's get on. Now this section. We have this already, but it has. We got some potato here. This one's a bit soft. Oh, squishy. Child. Anyway, I think I might have to go to town and find about maybe two more containers to put things in here, because if you put the onions in here they just mess up the thing. That's why I was using this one, but I've since outdo it. So put that there. This needs, we got our Jamaican home. You know, we always have our coconut cream or coconut milk, whichever one, you know. So this is what I mean when I say the thing from the onions. So if I just pop them in the crisper tray, that's how it's going to be messy all the time. And I'm running away from unnecessary cleaning. Right. Onions. But anyway, I normally cut my onions anyway, so we'll do that as well. So the remainder onions, I'll be chopping those up and put them in the freezer. So I think I need another tray somewhere to add the rest of the stuff then in it. So let's close that back and slowly this. I'm going to be making some patty. I'm going to be making some Jamaican patty later, so I'll be using that minced meat, and I have some sweet and crunchy salad. I'll put that in here as well, in the crisper section as well. Now these can sit in here like that. Okay. You can even be in here. These are what I'm going to use to make the patty later. Puff pastry. So I'm not making my own pastry, so I'm using those. Quick and easy. Yep. Okay, let's put this back. I bought this last week in Merson. It's coffee, caramel latte. Just right, just how I like it. I'll put these out later. Chop. And a little piece in there. Where am I putting the rest of the stuff? So these two of them, you know, I like my naan bread and pashwan. So they go in here. That's that. Some banana. I don't know where it's going to go, but we'll try and find a place for it. Banana goes there. You'll be using these three things we'll be using later. So that's finished. We slowly. So I put this. You know, anything with lemon is for Carla. That was already in the fridge. You see, I'm a woman who like drink. I like to drink. I like juice and stuff like that. I do like to have drink in the fridge. A cold drink somewhere along the line then. But I think I have too much now. This one is, I think it's a Polish one, but it's carrot, apple, and orange. I like it. It's very nice. And my normal squash. I got that too. Put that under there. We're slowly getting there. Okay. So I'll be cutting those as well with the onions. So I'll leave them out. And these are my baby tomatoes. I'm sure you can put them here. Remember, stuff will be coming out later. I've got eggs. Can never go wrong. I know I have eggs up the top there too. But yeah. Shut that. Red wine I had many years now, but when I drank it, it tastes like vinegar, so maybe it's off. My peri-peri sauce, hot. I like a bit of pepper, you know, in my food. I think that's... Oh, I think I'll drink this now because that's I don't want to put that back in the fridge. Oh yeah. Talking on again, I'm talking on my filming. Please, Carla. So, up the top, I put my bread that I don't know if you have seen it. I put the bread in the freezer with my cheese and spinach cod fillet that I bought, ice cream and chuck ice, yeah. And then in the second drawer of the freezer, I put all my freshly purchased vegetables, a lot of stir fries, some hot and spicy chicken wings, yeah. And then I'm putting back the old vegetables on top, so I can use those up first. I normally buy cut onion, but today I'm going to cut my own. And then in the bottom shelf, or in the bottom tray, I do have some potato waffles, some Mary Piper oven chips, chunky oven chips, and some very fine green beans. I didn't see any spinach, so right, and that's that. I didn't see any spinach yesterday, so I didn't get any. I like spinach. I love anything green. Give it to me. You know? Yeah. So I'm getting slowly there. I think the fridge is finished, so it's just to put away the rest in the cupboards. Girl, so right. So we have the rest of stuff over here that I'm going to transfer to under the cupboard. Under the cupboard. In the cupboard. In the cupboard. In the cupboard. Under the cupboard. In the cupboard. I am also going to be cooking some macaroni and cheese, maybe later in the week or next week. So, it's later in the week. Today's actually, isn't it? Sometime next week, I'll cook some macaroni and cheese. That's why I have those two types of cheese, the red Leicester and the normal cheese. And I think I'll add some of that chili, sweet chili cheese, soft cheese. I'll add some of that in it. Ooh. She's trying new things. She's trying things. More drink. You see, this girl loves drink, isn't it? Oil there, and yeah, I think that's done. This is my food cupboard. I did arrange it and video it, but it didn't get to go live. I may put it out one day. So I bought this. It's a 3-shelf thing. Bought it in Poland. And what else? That and these bottles for my pasta. Okay, let me open it. So, see, that's where you can't see the bottom section, but I'll show you the bottom section in a little bit from now. Hold on, let me put these in. These are, I like my red kidney beans to cook my rice and peas. I don't have space for it. It was 4 for £2, so I just pick up 4. Mama. There. Make sure here. Fit. Yeah, that one fit there. Sweet milk, you know, Jamaican do like to have one in the house. My sweet chili sauce up here. At the top there it goes. My lemon up here as well. And EVAP milk. I'll open that and put it in the some breakfast cereal up here. Oh, there you go. That's one fell down. That's fine. Nearly finished. And some sugar. You can never have enough sugar. If you're baking and all of that good stuff. And I have some croissants and another bread. I like this one, which is a bloomer. So the slices are a bit longer like that. And I think that's it. Oh, the pastas. Hold on. Bear with me. So this is it's a basket I have with all of my pastas. So I have these jars I purchased from the pawn shop, and I have been putting in my pasta, and I keep them here. I have some Jamaican noodles, and I put my Jamaican soup in that video, and then I have this one as well. This long one, I have that, and I keep the spaghetti in there. So at the back is lasagna. It's still in the box. Maybe I could probably buy a container to put it in. And that's some brown sauce. Okay, let's see. I have another jar. It was 2 jars I purchased, yeah, and I didn't use one of them. This is the next one, but I didn't use it. So I guess I could put my lasagna in it, but it's storage, you know. I don't have storage. Hi friend, always again, talking and not videoing. Yeah, so I was saying that I bought these in B&M and use them as storage. Well, they're for bathroom, bedroom, but I just buy them and put them here. And so the top has flour, plain flour, self-raising flour, zip bags, bags to make ice. And in the bottom, it's lots of pasta again, because I'm a pasta girl, I do like pastas. So that's that there. And I was saying that this one has pastas as well. So my current pasta is in here that I use, and then when I want to refill, I go grab one and refill in there. So here I have the curly ones, and I have some spaghetti. At the back there is some lasagna as well. And that's it. That's my little home. When you don't have space, what do you do? My dominoes when I want to play game. They're quite big as well. It's a lot, huge. So that's my ice making bags. You just fill it up with ice, break it off what you want, the cubes, and then that's it. No wastage. No wastage around here. And okay, this one here has my, oh, am I itching against something? All my spices. All my spices. That's spices. Spices, and there's spices in the other one as well. So, yep. My lemonades. I bought four lemonades. So, and they normally store under the cupboard here, where I was putting the juice and the oil. Yep. So we're gonna put the lemonade here now. Take that back out. I had forgotten. No, we ain't gonna have much storage now because we go over there. Okay, cool. That's one. And two. That's three. And the last one is four. Something not right. Wrong section up here. This goes back in there. It's chucking away. Go there, that there. So enough room up here. I don't have enough storage. That's it. So this is the fridge, guys. Just making noise again. Let's shut it. So that's the bottom of the fridge. Well, when I say bottom, I mean from the crisper section upwards. And then over on this side you have the milks. Here you have milk, eggs, condiments like this is garlic, and that's marmalade, and as I showed you, that's coffee, milk, red wine, and over here we have some down here we do have mayonnaise, salad cream, and Bronson pickle, which I love to put on sandwiches. So, yeah, so that's the fridge. And guys, that's it. But this is where the video ends, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, just
The seasons are changing.
upload from Life with Miss Carla. I'll say my goodbye, and the B-roll is coming up.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets.